Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a Factory 5 Cobra. There's a 302 fuel-injected power plant under the hood. The car is amazing. This blue is just popping with the white stripes. Of course, all the chrome is looking amazing. One beautiful little hot rod right here. Can't wait to get out and drive this one. She is a beauty. When you look down the side of it, the body man and the painter did a phenomenal job on the car. It's got GT40 style wheels on it, jet coated side pipes, black interior. This is the whole package right here. Let's get in this baby and go to a car show. We got a great looking wood wheel, the 5-speed shifter there, the chrome roll bar, the 4-point harnesses holding you in this baby. She is a beauty. Now this is a cutoff switch right here for the battery, so you can shut the battery on and off. Very easy to get at. Got beautiful blue paint on this baby. Let's check out inside the trunk here. All the aluminum work looking sweet. There's a battery tender. There's even a fire extinguisher in here, but you'll never need that. It's always nice to have. Now we've got the Shelby style fuel fill here, looking sweet. It's where you fill this baby up to go racing. That blue paint is just popping, and at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we've spent the time, did our homework, and checked these babies out before we bought them. Then the first thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is it goes up on the lift and it gets inspected, and then we take pictures of it and do a video of the bottom side of it so you know exactly what we're gonna park in your driveway. Now, you're watching us on YouTube right now, and we do about 40 of these videos every month. So if you want to check out all of them, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click that little bell button so you get a notification every time we get a new cool car in. Let's go for a ride. Cobra time. Listen to this baby, man. You want to sounds amazing. Love those side pipes. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. Just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. Now we can also help out with financing, so don't you worry about that. Tom will do all the paperwork for you, or you can fill out the paperwork online on our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And don't worry about shipping either. Like I said, we can ship it anywhere in the world. Just love the sound of these cars. Making those pipes talk. And I tell you what, it handles like it's on rails. You can see down here on the dash, got all the gauges here. We got RPMs here, speedos over here, and then our controls are all over here. Now we are very close to the airport, so if you'd like to come in and check it out in person, we would love to have you. So come on out. If you want to drive out, we're here on Saturdays. A lot of people will fly in the morning, take care of business midday, and they can fly right back out that evening. Just sounds amazing. Now we're about to do something that nobody else in the industry does to all their cars. We're gonna put this beauty up on the rack so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. Here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and I tell you what, she's pretty under here. Look at this. Now the battery's mounted right here, so it's easy to get at. 8.8 rear end, 373 gear, and it is limited slip. So this is Mustang, just like a Mustang would have, the same suspension. It's got disc brakes, looks like brand new coilovers holding it up. Everything under here is painted up, looking sweet. This frame is amazing. I tell you what, what's so cool about these cars, you can put a floor jack right here, and that side will jack up just as fast as this side. The frames are rigid as can be. We got a T5 5-speed transmission here. It's a Borg Warner. We got our 5-liter motor up front here. Everything's looking nice and clean, nice and neat, nice and tidy. Beautiful. Tubular lower control arms and upper control arms. Those upper control arms are fully adjustable, so if you want to change the settings on the alignment at all, very easy to do. And of course, big disc brakes up front here also. You can see the nose. Nose is in great shape. Then look at these wheels and tires. Now, these knockoffs are reproductions, and this center cap here moves so that you can get at each one of those bolts. But they're GT40 style wheels. The tires, I feel brand new nubs on them, so these tires are brand new. 245, 45, 17s here. Jet coating on the headers is looking good. All the aluminum work here on the floorboards looking good. And back here where the horsepower is meeting the road, 295, 40, 18s back here. Same good looking wheel. Now we're gonna lower this baby down and take a look under the hood. All right, under the hood here we got the 302, we got Pro Comp upper and lower intake. Everything's all chromed up, polished up, looking sweet. Serpentine belt setup on it. Looks like a late model alternator on it also. The car does have power steering. It does have a cable clutch. Everything under here is nice and clean, looking sweet. Look at that aluminum, looking beautiful. Guys, give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.